Hello everyone, this is your man, the TV guy, and we hope that all of you guys are staying safe and we hope that your loved ones are safe during this pandemic. With that said, we realize a lot of you are quarantined in the house and the Miracle Box may be your only form of entertainment. So what we're going to do is we're going to produce more videos to help you navigate better and to come up with a lot of things that can fix small little errors. Now in this video, we're going to talk about real-debrid. In the last video, many of you have tried this and added it to your service and you've loved it, but we have discovered that many of you have found a certain glitch, and that glitch prevents you from getting audio or video when using your real-debrid links. So today we're going to show you a really simple fix that will drastically improve your real-debrid results. All that and more once we return. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as promised, we're going to show you how to fix the no audio and no video issue with real-debrid. It's a phenomenal service, and if you haven't gotten it, you can actually click the link below and you can actually sign up for real-debrid. They have an amazing offer, and I would not stream any open source without it. I love it that much because it just gives you that premium feel on a lot of your streams. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, many of you will use this on, if you have the Miracle Box 4.0, you may use it on Cinema HD. And let's go to Cinema HD really quick. I'm going to show you what happens and what you guys have been experiencing. And then I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily fix it in this video. So we're going to press OK. Oh, and by the way, to make sure you never miss one of our videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel because our videos are very crucial in helping you have the best experience possible while quarantining in the house. So definitely make sure you subscribe. Now, as we open Cinema HD, we have a lot of choices as you see here, and we're going to go down and we're going to go here, and I'm just going to choose Bad Boys for Life. I'm going to press OK. And like normal, it's going to pull up all the premium streams with real-debrid. As you see right here, here are all the streams coming up in yellow. And again, these are the higher quality links. There's your 4K, your 1080p. And again, be very conscious of the size of the file versus the internet speed you have. So again, if you guys have like 15 megabytes, you don't want to get anything that's like 33.86 gigs. That's too big for you. So definitely make sure you pay attention to the size of these numbers as well. I have a gig, so I can pretty much do any of these pretty much. So I'm just going to scroll down here. We're going to let these links kick in, and I am going to try to find a good high quality link here. And there's a lot of links for this movie. All right, so now I'm into some high quality links, and let's get up here. I'm going to find a really good one here. That's a 4K one. I don't have a 4K TV, so let's get up here to this 1080p one. I'm going to show you what happens. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click to play it. And I was trying to watch this earlier with no sound, but this is when I discovered the fix. So we're going to start over. And wait for this to kick in here. So as you see, this is playing with no sound. So let me get my sound remote here and show you something. I have this all the way up here. I have it all the way up here, but there's absolutely no sound. Beautiful picture, but no sound. So how do we fix that? Folks, the easiest fix that we've ever shown. All you have to do, and make sure you are using the MX player as we always recommend with any Miracle Box. All you have to do is press OK, and up here you're going to see, if you press it here, it's going to stay here. You're going to see this bar if you press OK. So tapping this, you'll always see this. Here you're going to see an HW. Let me click it again. You're going to see an HW right here. Now by default, this is our video codec. So if you wonder what the video codec is right here. This is our video codecs. By default, the video codec is set to HW, which does not allow pass-through of certain high-quality audio. Now, The good news is we can fix that very easily, whether you have a regular remote or a keyboard remote. And again, we're going to have more of these come in. So how do we fix that? We're going to press OK. We're going to go up. And we're going to highlight this. As you see, we're going to do it again. We're going to highlight this HW. And we're going to click it. Now, when you do that, that HW, by default, you're on here. This does not allow pass-through, as we said, of a lot of sounds. So we need to hit HW plus decoder to allow pass-through. So we're going to go down. We're going to click this. And we have sound. As you see. Again, that was a very simple fix. So you always want to do HW plus. How you know you got it is if you press OK to get this menu, you will see the HW plus on here. That's how you know you got it. Now again, it's very simple. Just hit OK on your regular remote, and when you pause it, you will have the options to go up here and adjust your player, and all you want to do is just click on HW plus. So let's continue to play this. There's sound. To fix it, just make sure you keep it on HW plus, which I'm going to do here again. And if you don't have a keyboard remote, you can do this by simply just scrolling up and highlighting it and leaving it there. And it will actually fix all of your sound and all of your video decoding, and you should have sound going forward as we hear here. So again, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you fix it. And so if this information helped you, comment and let us know below. And also you can visit our website at miracleboxhelp.com. That's where we put all of our tutorial videos, just in case you are not able to get on YouTube. We do have them on our support and help site. Also, we do have more Miracle Boxes available. So if you're looking to purchase a Miracle Box 4.0, they just came in. They are flying off the shelves. And again, just to let you guys know, we are taking every precaution during COVID-19. So just know that we only have one personnel working in the warehouse, and that is to limit the exposure of COVID-19. So again, every box that's ordered is being sanitized, wiped down, one worker with gloves, mask, hose, suit. We want to make sure any product that comes from us is safely inside your homes to limit the exposure. With that said, folks, please keep an eye on this channel because we're going to be doing more to try to help you guys fight the COVID-19, as well as trying to provide you guys more tips to get the most out of your entertainment while you're on quarantine. With that said, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.